I tried to make a note of this one, just like my previous video. I made one, but then finally I kept it out, and I thought this is something where I can speak from bottom of my heart. Hello everyone, my name is Arun Tiwari, and today I am going to discuss something very important, a very serious issue. In fact, I should not call it issue, but a very serious point, which is going to be extremely important for all of you if you have not been through. If you are a student, or if you are a college student, if you are in your ending stage of your study life and you're going to start your work life, you're going to start your professional career, and then this is something which is going to be always there, because nobody likes to have somebody else at that particular position where he had been through. Okay, this happens in every field, whether it is like, for example, school, any industry you can consider, transport, school, modeling, Bollywood, cricket, sport, you can consider any field. This is something where you will have to go through. Okay, questions about your ability. You have to prove yourself at every step. Guys, I tried to make I tried to make a note of this one, just like my previous video. I made one, but then finally I kept it out, and I thought this is something where I can speak from bottom of my heart, because I have been through, and even many a time today also we have to prove ourselves. Well, this is something I take it positively. Well, when you have this fear that I have to prove myself even after teaching 9 year or 10 year, at every step of your life, when you are questioned, many a time you do get motivated, and that is human tendency, and we should be, because there is a very simple statement, dil pe lagegi to baat banegi. There are people who negatively charged and who will demotivate you at every step. People in my life also, I have been to so many people who have been questions so many things about my ability. I'm sure you guys must have also suffered through, and if you are a student watching this video, so let me make it very clear, every step you have to prove yourself. People will always have questions about your ability because they cannot digest someone else at that particular den. The lion cannot digest someone else to be there in his or her den, and this is, as I told you, human tendency. Now the question comes over here, how to deal with this, since it is basic thing, it is going to be there in everyone's life. As a professional career, when you will start as a professional, you will have to deal with this. No matter if it is you are a fresher, of course there it is going to be definitely in your career in the beginning, early stage of your life. But once you go through with this, as an on, you will get experience, you will accustomed with this, and you will get to know that these kinds of things are always going to be there in my life. People are there who are going to raise questions on your ability, but you will find people, those who will really motivate you, who will give you positive vibes. Your job is to find out, these are the people who have positive charge. When I am with them, I get positively motivated, and these are the people who are negatively charged. They will question everything every time when you will with them. They will not give you the solution, rather they will ask question. This is something how you are going to deal with. अरे ये हो गया, ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा यार, ये तो तुम कर ही नहीं सकते. These kinds of questions are very common. As a youngster, you might get agitated and frustrated also. Why am I being asked questions about my ability at every step? Not every child is born with golden spoon, of course. हर किसी की किस्मत एक जैसी नहीं होती है. And once you prove yourself and you go to the next stage and you find so many people who are literally opening their mouth to catch hold of you, then at that position you find that, yeah, even after clearing this stage I have to do this one. So few things that you can apply in your life in order to make yourself positively charged, because people are going to question about you. They have questions about your ability, they have questions about your thought, they have questions about your own property, the wealth, whatever money you possess. Money is one of the greatest reason why people have their enemies list in a long way. They have so many enemies, because enemies in the sense you can say that your own colleagues will have negative relations with you just because you have got better amount as compared to them. So I think what you can do is that you keep yourself positively charged. The question comes up, how can we keep ourselves positively charged? कैसे हम अपने आप को positively charged रखें? So I think raising question is one of the way through which they give you, or they keep you reminding this is not the end. Because once you feel that okay, I'm satisfied, this is the end and I'm top of my career, now I don't have to do everything, and from then onwards the decline will start. So if such kind of people will be there around you, against whom you have to prove in the sense what, you don't have to prove anything about your ability, but positive competition. So once you will have positive competition, that thing will keep on forcing you to do as much as you are doing. Give 1% every day extra, because you know that if you're not going to do that, there are people who are going to be on you. Of course, at every stage, professional, personal or social life, nobody wants to see someone else progressing, especially when you are related with them. They want themselves to be over that place if you are there. So always try to be helpful with everyone, always try to be kind with everyone, and make one thing very clear: if someone who is younger to you, less experienced to you, comes near you for any kind of help, always be ready, be approachable, so that anyone should feel a comfort zone when they are standing with you. They should not hesitate to ask you something. Once they are coming in front of you, they should be very clear that this is a man with whom I can ask anything. Create such kind of personality. Well, this kind of personality can only be created, or can only be made. See, few people have this kind of personality naturally. Let me make it very clear. But few are there who do not have this kind of personality naturally, but they do by practicing. How? Make yourself available as much as possible. For everything, give positive thoughts. Rather than how it can't be done, focus on what could be done in order to do this, or in order to gain this one. So give positive options of doing something rather than giving negative aspects of that one. This cannot be done, this is very difficult, this project is very difficult, I cannot do that. Always keep yourself away from such energies which are stopping you to reach your goal. I have been to so many interviews. I'm going to record a video specially on these interviews, because most of you have given this question in your comment section. Please explain, sir, how we should prepare ourselves for the Vedantu interview, for Unacademy interview, for Byju's interview, and several other platforms. I have been through. I have experienced all these things in last 1.5 year. That was a great time when I experienced all these things, and if you guys also want that, write me in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you with that. A proper detailed video how you should prepare yourself for any of the interview, whether it is online or offline. So the topic of today's video, why I have chosen this one, because today I was sitting, I was writing my book, and I thought that this is something which I have been, even today also, there are people when I go to new places, they do have something in their mind whether he is capable or not. They judge you from your degree, they judge you even for your experience. You need a good name, a good brand name behind you, so that where you are working, your name and fame, or the name of the company for which you are working will give you something, some advantage. Well, I personally think that definitely has a positive impact in your resume, but only that will help you, that is something which I don't agree specifically. Even if you are in a, it's always good to be a large fish of small pond rather to be a small fish of a large pond. Okay, where you are valued, where people are there who are going to understand the talent you have, I think you should be over there. People should be recognizing your work. If they are asking questions about your ability, prove them how you are being over there. And at every step of your life, be ready. People are going to be there who are going to judge you. I made my previous video why people judge me. This video, why do they have doubt about your ability? They always have doubt. It's not their doubt, it's the fear that they have. One day when you will reach over there, where will they go? So it's their fear. So make them realize you are deserving candidate for that post. You deserve that. That is why you are there. It's not that you belong to someone's family. Your father is the blah blah blah. Your sister or your brother something. No, I have reached this spot. The reason being that I deserve this. मैं डिजर्व करता हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, इसलिए नहीं हूँ कि मेरे पास डिग्री है और आई हैव अ नेम बिहाइंड मी. So today's video was all about this, why people have questions. One more thing, yes, wait. People also judge you, people have questions based on your job, your physical appearance, the way you behave with your people, the way you interact with people. If you are very talkative, people have problem with that also. आप बहुत बातें करते हो, उससे भी लोगों को problem है. Okay, they have so many questions and these kinds of people will always be there. I said in the previous video the same line. If you will think about them, then when will you think about yourself? ठीक है? So give your maximum time to motivate yourself. Give your maximum time to give positive thoughts to yourself. Let me make it very clear. It might seem so difficult, or you might find it very funny, or you can say that not real to positively charge yourself, but I think that this is something which you can do. Positively charge yourself, which means that in every situation try to find out something where you can do something new, because what it is there, it is not going to be changed. From last 1 year everything is scattered, nobody is settled, everybody's life and job here and there, hither and thither. What you have to find out, oh yeah, now we have got some time to spend with our family. Now I have got some time to do some inventions in my life. How can I deal with these situations with her if I have been to? So these things will what they will give you, they will give you a little bit of that space where you will find something new in you. And when you are interested in yourself, you don't worry about others. Okay, तो जब आप खुद में अपना इंटरेस्ट डाल दोगे तो ये मैटर नहीं करता what people are saying. So my simple advice is that if people are still having questions about your ability, they do say different, mouth buttering is also there. Ill thought peoples are there who say, not a good thing about you, who poses themselves a negative personality, and then behind your back, they are the one who are the nears and dears one and saying negative things about you. Don't interact. Don't go and ask why did you say this about me. You just prove it, man. वो जाके पूछने की जरूरत नहीं, भाई तुमने मेरे बारे में ऐसा क्यों बोला. You just prove them. He said that is wrong. I deserve this. So prove yourself at every stage. Be jiddi. I say that. If it is going to improve your personality, if it is going to improve your career, if it is going to improve your life, be jiddi. So on that note, I'm going to end today's session. I hope you must have loved the video, guys. If you have loved it, please do press the like button. Like जरूर कर दीजिएगा, because your like is ultimate support for me. And yes, our other videos are also there at end screen in the comment section. Go and write it down. What about your thoughts? Are you still being asked about your ability to prove it? Do you still feel that there are people around you who ask questions about your ability? I would like to hear it, and 5 of them would appear. 5 of them would feature in my next video. 5 of your comments. Okay, so go फटाफट जाओ लिखो अगर आपने कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है क्या, लोगों ने आपके बारे में कुछ कहा है, आपके पीठ पीछे लोग कुछ और बोल रहे हैं, आपके अपने ही आपके एबिलिटी के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस उठाते हैं, ऐसा आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव मस्ट, इनफैक्ट आज की लाइफ में तो सबसे ज़्यादा ही है. सो राइट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आई विल बी डेफिनेटली वेटिंग फॉर ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सेज एंड टिल दैट टाइम डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू मैन, बट डू वन थिंग, keep the environment clean. Bye bye, take care, love.